video we have Samsung Tab A 7-inch 2016 charging port replacement. The customer brought us this device with the broken charging port. I'm going now just to assemble the device and replace it without even checking it. It seems broken or damaged or anything. If we have a SIM card or memory card, we are going to remove it and then we are going to detach the screen from the frame. Careful where you put the metal tool. Don't put it in the screen, it's between the screen and the frame. Don't push too much, otherwise you will damage the plastic of the frame. We need just to detach it a little few more and then it will get out. Just keep moving all around the tablet and that's it. It will be removed easily. There is nothing to be worried about. We don't have any flex cable to cut. In this way we are just going to detach the frame from the screen and that's it for now. Keep detached until we removed it fully. It's removed. As you can see, there is no flex cable to be damaged. Now we are going to unplug the battery so we can remove the motherboard. Always it's important to unplug the battery before proceed to any other work. Remove the sticker and then unplug the battery. I'm going to test the incoming voltage to the battery. Put the charger on and test with the multimeter. We have 0.4 volt. The voltage, it's not right. It should be 4.2, 4.3. So we are going now just to remove the old charging port and replace it, and then after that we will test again with multimeter and check the voltage again with you. Now keep removing all flex cable from the motherboard. We don't need to damage any flex cable. This one should be the touch screen and the other one to the left beside the battery should be the screen itself. I don't know for sure, but for my experience this should be the LCD, the touch screen, and the other should be the screen itself. Now remove all the screws from the board. remove the camera, and after that we can just detach the motherboard. Let's put the motherboard into the holder and prepare for removing. I have the new charging port. Bring the new charging port and solder the pins with a soldering iron and prepare to remove the old one, and then we are going to put the new one. Put Amtech soldering flux paste. I'm always prefer to use the heat gun with the soldering iron to remove the charging port easily without making too much heat to the motherboard. I'm using the heat gun at 400 Celsius degree with the air 6. It's almost removed. Okay, now we are going to clean the motherboard. Put again the Amtech flux. Get ready and bring the new charging port and put it in position. I didn't resolder the pins on the motherboard because they seem fine. So now I'm going just to put the new charging port. I don't know why this kind of the charging port doesn't fit correctly from the beginning. It takes a long time to fit, so I had to make more heat. I'm going also to put some solder to the pins manually to make sure all the pins are connected to each other. And after I did that, I'm going to test the voltage with the multimeter. Okay, our job should be fine. I'm positive everything looks connecting to each other with my eyes. I'm going now to assemble and cleaning and then test. Okay, put the charger on. Okay, the other side because we need the battery socket to test it. Okay, the charger is on. Test the voltage. The voltage is 4.2. Okay, the problem has been solved. Now we are going to assemble the motherboard and that's it. If you have any questions, just write it down in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to support the channel by like and subscribe. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.